Welcome to your friendship party. I'm Elsa Macedo, a 4-H NAC Program Associate from the University of Missouri Extension. I'm glad to be able to be part of this project once again and make this party possible out to you guys at Prairie Point. We ask that you guys are attentive and respectful during all the activities today. Today you guys are going to be decorating a bag, passing out Valentine's cards to your classroom, amongst other different activities, and also making a recipe. So I hope you guys have fun.
Take care of your heart. February is Heart Health Month.
Go red because your heart matters.
Heart healthy tip. Get regular exercise. It helps lower blood pressure. And it helps your body lower stress. Even 10 minutes can have an impact in your heart. You have a big heart. Take care of it.
Because a healthy heartbeat is a wonderful treat.
And with a healthy heart, the beat goes on.
Peachy reach. Sit with your arms extended up. Raise as high as you can with your right arm and hold. Then do the left arm. Stretchy strawberry. Lift your right arm above your head. Stretch over to the left and hold. Switch to the left arm and stretch it to the right. Hold.
Hi, I'm Sophia from Miss Fox's 5th grade class. Today we're going to be making Valentine bags. You will need the white bag and stickers provided. You will also need markers, glue, and anything else you want to use to decorate. Here is an example of mine. Be creative and have fun decorating your bag.
We're going to be making hearts, but cards. So first, you're going to want to cut in between, but you're not going to want to go through the dotted lines because it'll mess it up. Now when you're done, you're going to want to fold these in so it makes a heart. So you can open it and you can write something in there.
Now, remember to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds to prevent the spread of germs and to keep your food clean and safe to eat. Also, wipe down the area that you will be using to prepare your snack. Let's get started with our recipe.
Hi, I'm Lila Porter from Mrs. Fox's 3rd grade class, and today we are going to be making parfaits. What you'll be needing is some yogurt, some granola, and some strawberries. So, first you're going to put half of your strawberries in. Next, you're going to put half of your vanilla yogurt in. And third, you are going to put half of your granola in. And because this is a parfait, we're going to redo all the steps again. So, we are going to put the rest of our strawberries in, the rest of our vanilla yogurt in, and the rest of our granola in. And now, let's do the best part about cooking, the eating. Yum.
And don't forget to ask about getting more information about receiving a 4-H for Platte County educational kit. Kicking It with Soccer has started, but it's not too late to register and get your free 4-H soccer ball. You'll also be able to qualify to get a jersey at the end of the program. Thank you for participating in all the different activities for this party. I hope you had fun, and if you have any feedback, it is welcome as we take it into consideration for any other party that we will have. Happy Friendship Party to you all.